Okay.
Hi, we're gonna show you how to work on the field edge. It's earthquake walk behind trimmer, 22-inch. We're gonna learn how to replace part and belt, and we're gonna install awesome wheel attachment plate on it. First thing you do, there are two screws right here to hold the plastic strap in the back. Take it out, and now you can get 4 bolts up here. We're going to replace this bolt with a longer bolt. So we're going to stop. Now let's flip the machine up. Oh, the bolt already loosened up. There are 2 more screws up here to hold the plastic. You can take them out. So the plastic protector guard is down. Let it hang there. The next thing you do, remove this cup, the spin cup. Here you go. Now there's an Allen wrench, a 1/4 inch. Put it inside the hole. Just loosen it up. Don't take it out, just loosen it. 2 of them. Now you can slide the trim plate out and the plastic guard. Next thing you do to get the belt out, you remove the 4 bolts. The whole unit come down. Here's the belt guard bracket. Take it out. You can remove the belt. Whole spin assembly, pulley, and the shaft. To remove the belt, this is brand new, so I don't want to take it out, but just unscrew this. Take the pulley out, remove the belt, same way like this. Take this out, and you can remove the belt. Remember, when you put the belt, put it inside the guard, the belt guard. It has to be inside the belt, inside this block right here. You see the wire? Keep the belt inside the groove. Okay, now we're gonna put them back. Okay, just make sure you see this for oil, the valve right there, copper valve, and then make sure the screw right here, only 1 screw. That's how you're aligning it. The 2 hole top, 2 hole bottom match the hole on the frame. Okay, first thing you do, you put the belt, you mount it like this. So you put the belt in first, and you slide the belt guard in. Make sure the belt is inside the guard. This is the guard. So lock it in there. See the 2 screw, plastic screw right here? It's where the 2 screw from the guard mount in. Okay, so replace with my longer screw. Make sure you tighten them all down. I replace the 4 bolt with a longer bolt. Next thing you do is put the plastic strap protector on it. screw it in the top screw first. Okay, everything tied up. The guard protector is on. 4 screws to hold the protector. And now we're going to slide awesome wheel over it. Push washer. You tight all the bolts with washer tight. The next thing you do is mount the spin plate. There is a groove right here. Align them and slide it in. Just slide it in all the way to the top. And use the Allen screw. Just tie one of the Allen nuts so it can stay there. Don't have to tie it. Next thing you do is mount the spin cup. Make sure everything tight. Use the Allen screw. You can lose the Allen nut in there. You see it can move up to high cut or low cut. Okay, when you put it at the position you like, use the Allen wrench to tie up that 2 nuts. Remember to put the 5-inch caster wheel on it. Make sure everything tight. Now we can lower it down. We're done. See, it's on 3 wheel now. I can move it with my 1 finger. No effort. The cup, spin cup, only above the ground, and you can adjust it. Move back and forward. Do a 360. Look at that. Move easily. Thank you for watching.